Today, I'm here to give you a real, shot showcase of the self-propelled scissor lift. Everyone, feel free to share your thoughts on it. This equipment can reach a lifting height of 12 meters, meeting the basic needs of most factories and supermarkets. With a rated load of 320 kilograms, it can comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 operators working simultaneously without feeling cramped. No need for 2 or 3 people. A single operator can continuously control the machine, performing lifting, moving forward, retreating, and turning aerial during work. Compared to traditional hydraulic platforms, it significantly enhances work efficiency while reducing both the number of operators and labor intensity. Moreover, the scissor-type structure provides an extremely stable and reliable working platform, outperforming many articulated arm devices and offering solid confidence for aerial work. Standard features include an emergency descent system, tilt protection devices, anti-pinch design, and robust guardrails, collectively delivering comprehensive safety protection to ensure operator safety at all times.